welcome to my channel. I am Carol and this is Carol's Beauty. So today I'm bringing you this very rustic look, this very kind of olivey dark brown eyes and this very dark lip, and I completed this look using my Morphe 39A palette. This is the first time I use it in my channel and I'm loving this palette. It's super pigmented for a great price too. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. The subscribe button should be here, I believe, and this side is a red button, and also there's a bell next to it that will notify you every time I upload a video, so make sure you click on that as well. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I did the face makeup off of camera just to save some time, but I did want to show the powders I'm using and how I set my face. So for the foundations and the primers and the concealer I use will be in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Okay, so now we're gonna set the face, and I'm gonna use my Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder in the shade Cool Beige, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take a little bit with my little tiny Real Techniques blender here, blender sponge, if you will, and just tap off the excess. And I'm just gonna look up and just add that just under my eyes. So bake my eyelids. So this is a good trick if you have oily lids, because I struggle with that a lot. Like, I would do a really nice look and by the end of the day my look is in the crease. So I like to really pack on the powder on the eyelids like so. Now we're looking extra smooth. Alright, so now I'm just gonna contour with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring stick in the shade Call Me Maple. I'm also going to mix the cream contour. I'm going to use my Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to be using this very cool tone shade down here. And to blend the cream contour, I'm going to be using this bootleg artiste brush, or more fancier name, the oval brushes. But you can get a whole kit of this on Amazon. I will leave the link of this exact brush that I got in my description box, because a lot of them tend to be kind of wonky and you want, like, this is really nice, good quality, and it's super soft. And when you blend cream contour, you want to blend up, circular motions, and up, not down, because it just creates a shadow in this area. Okay, so I like how this side blended out more than I did this one. This one I added a little bit too much of the cream contour, so don't panic if this happens to you. So what you can do is use the brush you use for foundation, and this is the Morphe E31 I use to blend out my foundation. And in between the chin and the cheek contour, I will blend it out. So I'm just gonna use the sculpt shade in the palette, which is this one right here. It's one of my favorite. It has a really nice neutral tone to it, and I'm gonna use my favorite brush. I use it in every single video. It's amazing, and this is the Morphe E4. It is an angled brush, and it just has the perfect amount of density to just really blend in that powder. And for blush today, I am going to use in my Tarte blush book. I'm going to use this shade Lavish. This shade right here is such a it has a slight sheen to it, and it's like a mauvey peach, I would explain that as. I will show you up close. The shade Lavish. So pretty. for highlight, I am so excited to use this one on my channel. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and this is what it looks like. This is, ooh, these shades are absolutely beautiful, and I'm gonna do a mix of these two. And this is butterscotch and starburst, so I'm just gonna mix these two. Just like this, back and forth. Tap off the excess and apply. So now that I have brought you in extra close to my face, for the eyes I'm going to be using the Morphe, doesn't even fit in the screen, Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. And this is what it looks like inside. It's gorgeous. It's so nice, and I know everybody says this in every video I've seen, but I love the middle shade, all the transition shades you can use. So first I'm going to be starting off with the shade Canvas. I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics V5 brush. It's the vegan collection brush, and this is what it looks like. And the Canvas shade, I'm going to use it as a transition shade. And what that is a lighter shade that's going to help darker shades blend better and easier. This palette is so big, I have like nowhere to put it. So now I'm going to pick up the shade Thunder here. It's the third shade in the palette. And I'm just going to use that to deepen up my crease. So I'm basically doing the same thing, but this shade, I'm keeping it a little bit lower in the crease, and I'm also adding it to my outer corner. So now I'm going to be switching brushes, and I'm using my Morphe M441, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just picking up the shade called Fickle. I'm just picking up this Fickle shade. So now I'm switching brushes, and I'm using this Morphe E28, and I'm going to be using the shade Pine, and it's this one right here. A little bit of that. Tapping the excess. And I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner. Okay, so this deepened the outer corner up a little bit, but I really want it to be even deeper, so I'm actually gonna grab a darker shade in the palette, and it's called Mass, and it's this one right here. Using the same brush, tapping off the excess and applying that to my outer corner. So how I like to apply this, I like to pat and blend in circular motions in the outer corner, and then I'll bring it a little bit in the crease. And I'm just going to use my Morphe E44 with no extra product to just blend that out and make it more smooth. See how smooth that got? And I'm going to use the shade So Glam, my eyelid. And I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm just going to apply it. So this is the shade, and it's really pretty. It's like a goldish, rustic, greenish, brownish kind of mixture. It's really pretty. I don't have anything like it, and I'm just gonna use my Morphe M441 to just blend out the shimmer, so it looks everything more smooth. And that looks really pretty. I'm loving that. But I really want a lighter pop. And I think I'm just gonna do that in the inner corner and a little bit in the beginning of the inner third of the eyelid. And I'm gonna use my Sugar Glow Kit. And I'm just gonna pick up the shade Marshmallow. And I'm gonna use my good old pencil brush and apply that to the inner corner and a little bit in the inner third of my eyelid. I'm gonna add that. See how it does just, it gives it a pop. And I'm gonna add shadow to my bottom lid, but I'm just gonna skip that. The same color that I added to my crease, I'm gonna add to the bottom. So that's basically it for the eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna add the Rimmel Waterline Eyeliner in 005 Nude to my waterline. Just gonna apply some mascara, and I'm gonna use the Benefit Dare mascara.
Two hours later.
So for lipstick, I'm gonna use this Stila lipstick in the shade Biscotti. And it's like this kind of like purplish dark brown kind of lipstick. Hopefully it goes with my look. I really like the applicator on this one. So lipstick is on, and I overline my top lip a little bit because my bottom lip is bigger than my top lip, and I really want it to be symmetrical, if you know what I mean. So now the only thing left is setting spray, and I'm just gonna use my Cover FX setting spray. So that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. The buttons I think is on this side is a red button that says subscribe. Click on it, smash that button. Don't be scared to join the fam. And I hope you guys enjoyed my look. I really love using the palette. It's super pigmented. I definitely will do more looks with it because there's so much variety of colors in it. Everything I used today will be in my description box. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media. That's Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. All that at Carol's Beauty. And also be in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video.